welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to crochet some stuff which was on my list for a long time. One of it was a crochet beach bag, tote bag or something, and one is a bandana. So yesterday I started with the bag and I've done so far. It's just the base. So in today's vlog I'll just do how much ever I can, and I've decided to go to a park, chill there and crochet and come back. So that's the plan. So these are the things I'll be carrying with me today. Some crochet hooks, stitch markers, scissors, and this yarn that I'm currently doing with. It's a cotton yarn, and tripods.
Look at the sunflowers, guys.
We found a table and we are going there. Hey guys, here's an update. I've done this much so far. It already looks too good. I love the color especially. I'm really in love with butter yellow these days. It's my favorite color. Also, my friend recently gifted me this cute little yarn bowl. It's just too pretty. The bows on it are too cute. I'm finally done with the bag and this is how it looks. I've also done a starfish, a seashell, and a jellyfish. So I'm gonna attach all this to the bag and then it's done.